Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.1.04. Warning, frustration, so many buttons. Buttons are macros. There are a lot of buttons on each sheet. The buttons do many things, including help you switch easily between various sheets or move around the current sheet. Frustration increases when you unexpectedly click a button. That click will take you places you did not expect nor want to go. Have patience. You become familiar with the layouts quickly. On the positive side, those same buttons take you back. The sheet directory of macros lists and categorizes the macros. Display macros by entering the key sequence alternate WMV or alternate F8. That means press or click the alternate key, View tab labeled W in the ribbon, Macro option labeled M in the ribbon, View option labeled V in the ribbon, or press and hold the alternate key and press the F8 function key. Don't forget the undo command in the ribbon. It may help to return to the starting point. This example 2.1.04 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.1.05.